Jails across the tri-state have been adjusting to coronavirus with changes to visitations and other rules. Now, a prominent Evansville attorney wants Vanderburgh County to release certain inmates to prevent an outbreak. Eyewitness News' Mike Pickett is here with more.
Scott Dinks of Dinks & Dinks posted on Facebook that those who aren't serving a felony sentence or have a bond of less than $2,500 should be let out of Vanderburgh County Jail with a court date in the next 2 months. But Vanderburgh County Sheriff Dave Whiting questions his proposal and his claims.
We're going to have a lot of sick people there, and we're going to have a lot of deaths there unnecessarily.
Scott Dinks posted on Facebook this week that no one should be subject to the possibility of critical illness or death due to a minor offense or their inability to pay for bail. He adds not every inmate at the jail is a risk to community safety.
A lot of them are there because they're in contempt of court for minor things such as failure to complete community service and that type of thing. I think there's a very significant number that are being held on bond less than $2,500.
He also says it allowed the jail to have more room to keep sick inmates separate from the rest of the population and for future testing of inmates for coronavirus.
I think he's challenging the judge's and the prosecutor's authority, and I don't know if he has the ability to do that.
Sheriff Dave Whiting says enough steps are taken if an inmate gets sick or shows symptoms of any illness, including a medical wing and nurses and doctors on staff. He also says while some who are arrested are out within 24 hours, others are in jail because of their criminal history or risk to the community.
As a sheriff, we want to balance out who we arrest, and then we let the judicial authorities determine upon arrest if that person should remain incarcerated based on their criminal history and based on the crime they committed.
We have excellent judges here in Vanderburgh County, and I'm confident that they take the situation very seriously, and so hopefully something will be done.
As for keeping jailers safe, Sheriff Whiting says they've met with healthcare providers, have rules on how to handle inmates who become ill, and are watching for changes on how the coronavirus affects the jail. Mike Pickett, Eyewitness News.